If your home insurance in Florida is with Citizens, the state-backed insurer, there's a new rule you can't ignore. Flood insurance is being phased in as mandatory for most Citizens policyholders, even if you're not in a high-risk flood zone. Let's break down today's rules so you don't get surprised at renewal. Florida's property insurance reforms, including Senate Bill 2A, created a step-by-step requirement for Citizens customers to carry separate flood insurance. These rules apply if your policy is with Citizens, and it includes wind coverage on a personal residence. Think single-family homes, townhomes, and similar properties. They generally don't apply the same way to tenant policies or many condo unit policies in multi-story buildings. Here's the simplified schedule for Citizens' personal residential policies with wind. From January 1st, 2024, if your home's replacement cost is $600,000 or more, you must have flood insurance to keep Citizens. From January 1st, 2025, that threshold drops to $500,000 or more. From January 1st, 2026, it drops again to $400,000 or more. Starting January 1st, 2027, all remaining Citizens-insured personal residences that are subject to the rule must have flood insurance, regardless of value. If your home's replacement cost pushes you over one of those numbers, you need a flood policy in place by your first renewal after that date. If your Citizens-insured home is in a FEMA special flood hazard area, a high-risk flood zone, the flood requirement is already active. New Citizens policies in those zones have needed flood insurance since 2023, and renewals there must carry flood coverage as well. So, high-risk zones don't wait for the 2024 to 2027 value schedule. They're already under the mandate. Citizens expects your flood insurance to at least match your dwelling limit or the maximum flood limit available to you, such as NFIP caps, whichever is lower. If you're required to have flood insurance and you don't provide proof by renewal, Citizens can non-renew your policy. That can push you into the private market, which may be more expensive or harder to get, especially in coastal or higher risk areas. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, tax, or insurance advice. Always confirm details with a licensed insurance professional and review your own policy and flood zone information. This message is brought to you by your friends at mydigitallisting.com, the real estate team with a PhD in results. If you'd like help understanding how these rules affect your next purchase or sale, reach out anytime. Call local realtor Jennifer Taberski. Like, share, and subscribe for